Bam, what is up, everybody? My name is Jordan Baywood, and I'm a music producer and audio engineer, and today I am mixing Joey Holly's vocals, and we were going after a Lil Mosey type song. Lil Mosey is a great artist, and I love the space in his vocal and the clarity and the crispiness in his vocal. So me and Joey wanted to do a Lil Mosey type song, and I want to play you it to see if you like it, and if you don't, you can stop watching so you don't have to waste time. And if you are interested in learning how I mix this, please stick around because I'm going to take a deep dive into exactly how I mixed it.
Always tryna rush me, say she hate me but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly. You know this outfit worth a lot, so girl don't touch me. Baby girl don't touch me, I've been on my own craft. Fuck a hometown, bitch, I'll make my own map. That's a rental, why you frontin' like you own that? Why they copy, got them sounding like my old track. Sounding like my old track. Always tryna rush me, say she hate me but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly. You know this outfit worth a lot, so girl don't touch me. Baby girl don't touch me, I've been on my own crap. Fuck.
Okay, so there's about three, we got the main hook right here and right here, and then we got backvoxing that is doing this. That's given space that Lil Mosey does a lot, and I really love that, so we definitely tried that. And he always, most of the time, when I hear the main hooks and stuff, he adds like just a more an aggressive layer. And that's the cool thing about layering, is every artist does it different. So I'm gonna turn the effects off his voice and show you with the raw.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly.
So the first thing, obviously, is some auto-tune, heavy auto-tune. Lil Mosey uses a lot of auto-tune. Sometimes it's slower. The slower you sing, the slower it can be. But on this one, it's a pretty fast song at 162 BPM. So I went with it fast, and it sounded good with Joey's voice. The next thing I added was an EQ. I just kind of sweep.
Rush me, say she hate me.
Right there, it was kind of annoying. And then I got rid of his low mids, because those always creep in. And next I added compressor.
Rush me,
just to give it a little control.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
And then I added some highs.
Rush me.
And this is the main thing about Lil Mosey, is that a lot of highs in his vocal, they're controlled, and then they have a sparkle around them with the reverbs and delays. So we'll get to that.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
And then control of the de-esser. If you never know what the frequency is that his S's are at, you can just kind of do a sweep and make it real small.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every.
And I realized it was at 5,500. So
rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly.
And then I got the compressor, so I always compress with the
rush me, say she hate me, but she always
pretty fast attack and release, because there's more words, so it needs to be quicker. And then the ratio I did pretty high at 3.35, because it can be less dynamic, and that he's more aggressive. And rush me, na fuck me, those words he's gonna be saying louder, so I wanted to kind of control it, so that's why I added a compressor.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
And that just sounds so smooth already. And now we're just gonna add a small reverb.
Rush me, say she.
Remember, small reverb makes it smoother, and it adds a little crisp as well.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly. You know this outfit work.
And then I added this Echo Boy. This is really cool because it gives it width.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
It gives it that radio effect in the background, which sounds like another layer, which is awesome. Added my delay, 1/8, just sounded good. Got rid of the highs and lows. Turn it down.
Say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living.
And then I added my big reverb. And honestly, to find the length of the decay for a long reverb, just turn the mix up really high.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every.
And when it sounds like the reverb is overlapping the words too much, just keep turning it down until you find that sweet spot, and then turn the mix down.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly. You know this outfit worth a lot, so girl don't touch me. Baby girl don't touch me.
And then just turn the mix down.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
great. And then I added another little EQ. I just EQ sweeping and
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
I do that with every vocal. And then what's cool about this, alright, so this back Fox,
Rush me, tryna fuck me.
pretty much the same effects, and then I added just to the sides. So rate down really low, intensity, so it just goes left and right.
Rush me.
And then I knew that it was wavy and I wanted to give a lot of space in the background, so I turned up the mix even higher.
Rush me, tryna fuck me. Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
And then the dub, all I did was
Rush me.
the same thing, but he sang it different. He sang it a little more aggressive, so I just turned it down so it can be a dub underneath the vocal to give it more tone.
Rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me.
So there we have it. I appreciate you guys for sticking around and watching. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will be sure to answer them. If you gained any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It still helps the channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
Always tryna rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly.